Hi, I am Billy Joe. I am going to show you how to access the online content for math expressions. We will go over navigation basics on ThinkCentral. First thing you will need to do is log in to Clever. There are a few different ways that you can access Clever. On your iPad, there is a link called the staff site. If you tap on the link, it will open the staff landing page, and on the left side you will see Clever. You may tap on Clever at that moment and log in as a teacher and log in with your Google ID. Once you're on Clever, you will open the ThinkCentral math tile by tapping it. Another tip, you might want to save Clever as a favorite. The way you save it as a favorite, you tap on the Share button, and then you will want to add to favorites. You can also add a tile to your home screen. Here is an example of it saved as a favorite right here. Once you have tapped the tile, ThinkCentral will open and you will see your dashboard. On your dashboard, you will see many different areas. One area to draw your attention to is My Smart Planner. You will see My Smart Planner has different tiles, as a daily schedule. You will see math, and you'll even see something scheduled for math. When you tap on this top title called the gadget title, it will open up for you and take you step by step on how to set this up. It should take you 4 to 5 minutes if that's something you want. You can start, schedule, and assign right from your Smart Planner if you wish. When you set it up, you will enter the school start date, the school end date. You can schedule in breaks, and then once you assign a curriculum, it will even space it out, and be sure to not schedule a lesson on days there is no school. Resources has all of your curriculum items. It defaults here to kindergarten for everybody, so you will want to tap your grade level if you are not in kindergarten. So for example, if you are a 4th grade teacher, you will tap 4 for grade 4. And then these arrows are how you can toggle through to see the different features that you can tap on and open. You can also open all the resources by tapping on the gadget title and seeing them out of view. Again, you will need to choose your grade. It defaults to all grades. So if you are a 4th grade teacher, you will tap grade 4 and you will see what you have access to. Some of the items you will see are different colors. The yellow color items are items that students have access to on their device when they log in. You do not have to assign most of those items. The red items are teacher edition type items. The green tiles have to do with assessments and assigning activities, things that you can give to your students. When students open, it'll say things to do. The turquoise blue are professional development training items. To get back to your dashboard, you will want to tap Home. You will also see on your dashboard an assignment center. This is where any assignments you have assigned to your class or students in your class will appear. You will get to see how many students have started. So for example, here you can see 0 of 2 students have started this. It's an in-progress assignment. As I scroll down, I can see that 1 of 2 students have completed this assignment. You can see assignments in more detail by tapping on the Assignments gadget title. And here you will see all assignments that you have assigned. So you can see here all of these assignments have been assigned to this class. You can see more information such as the due date, how many students it's been assigned to, how many students have completed, the progress status, and then you can also have some actions: edit, delete, copy. You can use the sort filters above to sort through by dates, classes, and programs. You will notice up here at the top, when you tap on a gadget title, this bar comes up. When you tap on the titles in the bar, you will see many other items, options pop up. So for example, in assignments, we are looking at the list of assignments. You can look at the scores and comments. You can add a test, an activity, or another assignment here. And then there's custom resources and settings. Remember, there is a training on assignments, how to add assignments, how to use all of this information with your classes. When I tap on the Classes tab, you will see how to find and manage students, groups, and classes, how to add students, groups, and classes, and we will not really use the import. If you have not added students to your class and you need help with that, you will want to check out the Creating a Class on ThinkCentral resource. In the Resources tab, you have two options. The list, which is showing all of the items here, or search. If there's a specific research you're searching for, you can tap on search and put your information there. You can also sort through in the browse by choosing your grade level and the program you wish to search through. The last item you will see on the dashboard is reports. Once more assignments have been completed and there is data, you will see at a glance some reports here. Again, if you tap on this gadget title, you can generate information for reports. If you tap on reports in the top bar, you can see more options on reports there. Now let's take a look at the student's view. Just like you need to, students will need to open Clever. On the students' iPads, there is a shortcut called the Student Site. Students can tap on that shortcut to get to Clever over on the left side. Students will log into Clever, and just like you have a tile for ThinkCentral, students will also tap on that same tile. When students open the tile, ThinkCentral will open, and this is what their screen looks like. They have three choices: Things to Do, My Library, and My Scores. Things to Do are where assignments you create and assign to your students will be located. Students access by tapping Things to Do, and they see a list of assignments that their teacher has assigned. They can also access old assignments that they have already submitted. Students can see the scores of assignments they've submitted here by tapping My Scores. Students can, in Things to Do, the way they access a Things to Do is each of these items are linked. When they tap on the link and open, they will get the assignment details and the status if they've started it and they're in progress or that it has not been started. They access the activity by tapping on the resource title. They will always get a direction page that explains how to use this personal math trainer platform. When they are ready to begin, will press start, and the activity will start. It always opens in a new tab, so they can access their ThinkCentral tab just by tapping to the new tab. In My Library, these are items every student has access to that the teacher does not need to assign. You can see the activity book, the Math Activity Center, Homework and Remembering, iTools, Drawing Tool, Parents Place, and My Notebook. In the Student Math Activity Center, when students open, you'll notice a new tab opened, and this is where students can do items that are not assigned. They can access lesson practice, lesson challenge, lesson checks, math readers, games, and fluency practice. The homework and remembering are the digital pages to the book that they have been given. It is organized by units. When they tap on a unit, it will open all of the pages. You can see here, this is 94 pages long. So this may be something that you have your students screenshot, use the markup tool, and turn in to you, maybe on Seesaw or AirDrop. Again, remember this opens a new tab. I'm going to go back to the ThinkCentral tab to get back. iTools are some math tools, digital math tools that your students might need to use. So here are the math tools that are automatically assigned and given to your students. So for example, if you're working on a fraction unit and you wanted them to have some fraction practice, it will open up the fraction math tool and they can utilize and manipulate all of these items. The Parents Place is a great place for parents to get information. This might be something you communicate to parents. The students, once they tap Math or Parents Place, they will tap their grade levels. So for example, if it's a 3rd grade student, here are all of the options that parents can have access to, such as unit overview, some other things that parents can access, problem types. So this just gives addition and subtraction problem types and some examples. Remember, you have access to all of these things in your resources as well on your teacher side. So as a review, when students log in, they will see these 3 items and they can access their assignments, things to do, choose from My Library, things that are automatically given to them, and they can also access their scores from assignments that they've completed and turned in. To review your teacher dashboard, you have items at a glance, you have resources, assignments, your Smart Planner, and reports. You can dive deeper by tapping on the gadget title. Remember that you will need to choose your grade level if you are not kindergarten. It always defaults to kindergarten. Thank you for watching this video. There are more videos on ThinkCentral on how to add students to classes, assigning math expressions activities, and more training. You can watch all of these videos and more on the Elkhart Instructional Tech YouTube channel.